Welcome in NAT and port address translation, NAT overload. What is NAT overload? As it is known as port address translation PAT, maps multiple private IPs to a single public IP using port numbers. Most commonly used NAT types in homes, business, offices. Efficiently conserves IP version 4 addresses because there is very all are almost exhausted. How does PAT works? Each internal device is assigned a unique port number, source port number. All devices share the same public IP. NAT, NAT tracks each session using port numbers. This is the our private IP address with a port number, unique for each device. And this is our public IP. This is a port number. See, this is our LAN private IP, different IPs, and this is the port number for each device, and this is our public IP with the port numbers. Public IP stays same, port numbers differentiate sessions. Benefits of PAT: allows many devices to share the single IP, public IP. Reduce need for multiple public IPs. Improves IP version address efficiencies. Provide basic level of security and hiding internal IPs. PAT is a form of NAT that uses port numbers. Most widely used NAT type today. Ideal for homes, small business ISPs. Efficiently enables many to one IP configuration. Welcome everybody in NetPads tutorial. In this is in this only one IP, public IP is there, which is shared with all the PCs in the LAN. So we will do configuration here. Enable, configure terminal. We will create access list. List say 10. Permit 192.168.0.0. Wildcard mask 255. IP net pool name my pool, let's say. Only one IP is there, so we will do 1.1. Say 11. 1 again. Net mask IP net inside source list list 10 pool name same my pool overload, which will makes dynamic NAT convert into a NAT pad overload. Interface G inside user IP net inside interface S0/1/0 IP net outside show do show IP net translations empty. Now let's ping it from here. Ping 8.8.8.8. The browser 8.8.8.8. Now I will do it from here. It will use port number to have this facility. Ping 8.8.8. Only one IP is there, public IP is there. Let's check. No. See, inside global, this one, which all other internet will see our IP. This is inside global. This will be our IP 111, which is same. Only one IP is public IP is available, and differentiated with the below. This is the reserved. Then this they are using, and this is using port 1024, 1025, 12026 with different. This is inside our LAN. This is IP address 231. 80 is for web browser. It is web browser. This is our outside web server IP address, web server, and this is our local inside our LAN 192.168. This one 1.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. This is the inside local. Port numbers are there. With the help of port number, it is communicating, and outside our system, outside our LAN, internet is seeing this IP. Thanks for watching. Now I will show you another method how to make NetPad without pool. Making pool. Enable configuration tree. Do show IP net translations. No. Okay. Access list. We will create access list as we have done in previously. Permit 192.168.0.0 our network. Wildcard mask. IP net inside source list 10. Instead of creating pool, we have created an interface. We will mention interface. This one in this interface. Interface S0/1 interface G. Our inside interface is this one. IP NAT inside interface S0 slash 1 slash 0 IP NAT outside do show IP NAT translations. No, now I'll think. Thank you. Sorry. Just stop. Now I'll ping, ping our web server 8.8.8.8. Yes, web browser. This 8.8.8.8. This one. Let's check with this one. Desktop ping 8.8.8.8. Desktop ping 8.8.8.8. Now let's check. Do show IP. See, ICMP is a ping, and TCP is our web browser, and this is our PC's IP addresses with the port numbers we are using, and a single IP address is outside global, which was available is 12.1.1 was the only IP addresses, and below this is port number is reserved 1024. Below this is reserved, and these are port numbers is used. This single IP address is used with all these IPs. It can be more than 100 or whatever, same, which is widely used now. And this is our web server IP address, the port number, outside global, outside local. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching the PAT tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on networking and technology.